Hi there, and welcome to Book to Bank, or as I like to call it, the There's Something You Know That Someone Will Pay You For course. That's right, you're officially in the step-by-step course that helps you turn, I should really write that down someday, into holy moly. People are paying me for this. You've joined the club that believes your brain is a gold mine, no hard hat required. You might be brand spanking new to digital products, or maybe you've been flirting with the idea of turning your skills into cash for ages. Either way, I'll walk you through every step, right from, what on earth should I write about, to, yes, first sale. Let's talk numbers, because nothing says get off the couch and do this like $400 billion. The digital products industry was worth $123 billion in 2024 and is sprinting toward $400 billion by 2030. That includes ebooks, guides, templates, courses. Basically anything you can download. For context, that's roughly enough to buy every creator on TikTok a ring light and still have enough left over to host a dramatic launch party on a yacht. And within that gold rush, the ebook market alone was worth $25 billion in 2024. $25 billion, and it's expected to grow to nearly $41 billion by 2033. That's not just a trend, it's a tsunami of opportunity. The point is, people will pay for your weirdly specific knowledge, and with digital sales up 70% in just 2 years, the universe is basically screaming, "Please take my money!" Especially now, with nearly 25% of Americans considered functionally unemployed, side hustles aren't just cute little hobbies anymore. In this economy, they're survival tools. And guess what? Your ebook could be the solution someone Googled while eating ramen and crying over their credit card debt. Whether it's something you learned at work, a personal journey you've lived through, or a hobby you've mastered, yes, even folding fitted sheets, someone out there needs your help. Over the years, I've seen people just like you, everyday folks with stories, skills, and know-how, transform their lives by packaging what they know into an ebook or a guide and selling it online. Like the stay-at-home mom who wrote a cookbook on dinner in 20 minutes in one pan and started making more than her husband's job. The sleep-deprived parent who created a book on calming techniques for toddlers. The guy who turned his obsession with whistling into a best-selling guide. The lady making hundreds of thousands teaching Excel formulas. Yes, regular old spreadsheets. Maybe you're someone who builds bunk beds on the weekend and loves trips to Home Depot. Or just someone who has mastered traveling the world easily. If you know it, you've done it, or can learn it, you can teach it, even if your skill is how to fold laundry without losing your mind. Good news. You don't need a degree, a fancy title, or even pants. Pajamas work fine. Inside Book to Bank, we follow 3 simple steps. Create. Finish. Sell. You'll use AI tools like ChatGPT to write faster. Think, ChatGPT, make me sound smart. Canva to design with easy templates. Platforms like Gumroad to sell, even if you have zero tech skills. Let me break down exactly what you'll learn inside Book to Bank. Because this isn't just about writing an ebook. It's about transforming what you already know into something that sells. First, I'll show you how to uncover the value in what you already know. If someone's ever asked, "Wait, how'd you do that?" Bingo. That's the seed of a sellable idea, and I'll help you shape it into something people want to buy. Then I'll teach you how to organize that knowledge into a clear, powerful ebook. Even if your ideas feel a little messy or all over the place right now, I'll help you turn them into a polished product with help from AI. You'll also learn how to outline your entire book fast using ChatGPT. Think chapter titles like The Dark Art of Leaving Group Chats. Yes, you'd be surprised at what people buy. I'll walk you through how to design a scroll-stopping cover in Canva. No graphic design experience needed. Then it's time to sell even if you don't have a big audience. You don't need to guilt your cousin into being your first sale. I'll show you better ways to get real buyers. And finally, I'll show you how to turn one ebook into a full-blown digital business. Because once you've done it once, you'll realize you can do it again and again. So grab a snack, open your notebook, and let's dive into Module 1.